So one of the benefits of being online is that the students can absorb the material at their own pace and at the time of day that they prefer. So with my pre-recorded lectures, they can watch them once, they can watch them at double speed, they can watch them 5 times, but that's something that you can really only do in this online format. So the specific adjustments that I've made for the fall is actually more of a modified flipped classroom. Generally, I do just kind of the standard lecture exam format, but in this upcoming semester, I will pre-record lectures and then meet with small groups of students. So the nice part here is the mandatory small group meetings means I'll get to know students more intimately, and then again, we can work more closely in those applied data exercises. The way in which I assess students is going to change as well. No more kind of big exams. We're going to do a lot more team projects, small group discussions, as well as mini quizzes.